Greetings, mortals. This is Michael Morrison of Séance of Sorrow. Tonight, I will be reacting to Rain Paris's cover of Michael Jackson's Thriller. Now, it says that this is a rock cover, so I'm skeptical, but I'm willing to give it a shot and see what this is all about. I'll preface it with saying that this is one of those iconic songs that I love. I've loved since I was a kid. In fact, Michael Jackson's Thriller was absolutely my gateway into horror. I remember watching it as a very young kid and falling in love with all of the makeup and just the set, the props. I mean, it was just mind blowing, and I still love it. I think it's incredible to this day. And so it's a tall order to cover anything by Michael Jackson. But yeah, let's jump into this and see what they've done with it. Okay, I don't hate that. The production sounds good. The guitars, they sound real tight, and that distortion is got a good bite to it. I like it. Okay, those vocals sound good. I don't know who this person is. I've never heard of this artist before. I don't know what she normally does. But I wouldn't say that this is a rock vocal. But it sounds like she's comfortable with her own voice. I think we're off to a good start. You try to scream, but never take the sound before you make it. Okay, it looks like this video is just going to be centered around her. I don't see a band. I'm just seeing a lot of various clips of this singer. I don't like that. Just because if I'm hearing a rock band, I want to see it too. That's just me. There's some stylistic choices happening here that I like, and some others that I don't. But it's not a deal breaker for me. Nice choice right there with the drum fill. That was different and worked well. That's good. I like that. I mean, this is definitely listenable. This is well produced. Whoever did those drums knew what they were doing. I'm sure they're programmed. They sound programmed. I would be surprised if that's actually a live drummer. But whoever did them did a great job. I just wish I could see the band. That's my biggest qualm with this so far. Close your eyes, and this is just imagination. That's cool. That's a nice um, interpretation for this song. Making it a little heavier there for the second verse by letting those guitars chug along. That was cool. Okay, another thing about this song, the video that I don't care for is we're just getting a lot of the same. I feel like it's a missed opportunity. Um, there's nothing happening here that really excites me visually. Um, I like what she's done with her makeup, and I like some of the stylistic choices that they've made, but she's in the same environment over and over again. It feels very flat to me as a result. There's no um, there's no use of any type of props or um, practical effects or anything like that. Um, so that's a bit of a disappointment visually. Um, but I am liking the song, I have to admit. I think the song sounds pretty cool.
They rock together, you. Demons opening on every side.
This is a cool interpretation of this song. I really have to admit that I think that what they've done with the structure is good. They've made the structure of this song contemporary. Um, it keeps you on the edge of your seat. I like that about this song. I like this interpretation.
They represent you. Unless you choose that number on your dial. Now is the time for you and I to come together. Yeah. All through the night, I'll save you from the trouble on the screen. I'll make you see that this is real life. Through the night, 'cause I can't give you more than anyone would ever dare.
We keep seeing this scene with the hands, the arms reaching out for her and the hands moving. And, they could have done so much more with this. Um, because that's the only type of effect we're getting, other than, digital effects with what um, what they've chose to do in post production. Uh, it's just such a bummer. I just wish that they would have incorporated more there. Again, it's not a deal breaker. I wish that there was something cooler to watch. I like it. That sounds cool. Really cool. That was kind of funny at the end there. But you know, it's a nod. It's a nod to Michael Jackson, and I appreciate that. All right, that was a fun video. Um, I enjoyed the song more than I enjoyed the video. That's for sure. Um, I don't know who that artist is. I'm guessing that that's not normal for her since she's specified that it's a rock cover. Um, but yeah, I mean, appropriate for this time of year. I love anything that embraces the Halloween spirit like Thriller does. So my hat's off to her. That's going to do it for this video. I will post links at the end of this video to other reaction videos and music videos from our band Séance of Sorrow. If you have not yet, go ahead and click that summon bell so that you can subscribe to our channel. And until next time, guys, this is Michael Morrison, and I will be watching you from the black.